An attempt was made to kill 6 Hindu families by setting their homes on fire in Lokhipur district. Late Wednesday night, attackers poured kerosene in front of 6 houses and set them on fire at Deopara Kormokarbari in Ward number 5 of Chandraganj Union under Chandraganj police station. The incident has caused serious fear among the Hindu communities and local minorities. After the incident, the local administration visited the area. Political and social leaders also went to the spot to see the situation. On the other hand, minority representatives demanded an immediate and fair investigation and called for the quick arrest and punishment of those responsible. They also say that minorities are facing repeated attacks because the government and administration are not taking strong action against such crimes.